Knitting Tutorials by Miarti. Cast on 16 stitches. The first row. Work all knit stitches. Further work 50 rows with knit stitches. In the 50th row, work the selvage stitch with a knit stitch. Cast on 25 stitches on the needle. Work 32 stitches with knit stitches, 2 stitches together with knit stitch. Work the remaining stitches with knit stitches. Cast on 25 stitches. The 52nd row. Work all knit stitches. The 53rd row. Slip 3 stitches. Work 3 stitches with white yarn, slip 1 stitch. Further alternate 3 white knit stitches, slip 1. The 54th row, slip 3 stitches. Work 3 knit stitches with white yarn, slip 1 stitch. Further alternate 3 white knit stitches, slip 1 stitch. The 55th row, work 3 knit stitches with another yarn, slip 1 stitch, and in this way alternate till the end of the row. The 56th row, work as the 55th row. The 57th and the 58th rows work as the 53rd and the 54th rows. Work 6 rows with knit stitches with red yarn. Cast off the stitches. Sew on the edges until the middle.